This is how to install the Tradecovex Trade Copier on NinjaTrader 8 and link it to your dashboard. We will install the copier first, then come back to the dashboard to generate your code and connect. The whole process takes under 5 minutes. Before we start, if you already have a previous version of the Tradecovex Copier installed, uninstall it first. Go to the copier page in your dashboard. The uninstall steps are on the right side. Follow those, then come back here and continue with this video. Log into your Tradecovex dashboard at app.tradecovex.com. In the sidebar, click Settings. Under Download Copier, click Download.zip. When the file lands in your Downloads folder, leave it exactly as it is. Do not unzip it. NinjaTrader imports the zip directly. Unzipping it first breaks the import. Open NinjaTrader 8. At the top menu bar of the control panel, click Tools. In the drop-down, click Import. Then, click NinjaScript add-on with the 3 dots. A file browser opens. Go to your Downloads folder, select the Trade Copier zip file, and click Open. 3 dialogs appear in sequence. First, a warning that the archive contains add-ons. Click Yes. Second, NinjaTrader asks to compile. Click Yes again. Third, NinjaTrader tells you it must restart. Click OK. Close NinjaTrader completely. Wait for it to fully shut down. Then reopen it. When NinjaTrader reopens, a security prompt may appear asking to allow content from a trusted source. Click Yes. If it does not appear, that is fine. Just continue. Open any chart in NinjaTrader. The instrument and time frame do not matter. Right-click anywhere on the chart and select Indicators, or click the Indicators icon in the toolbar. The Indicators window opens. In the search box, type Tradecovex. Tradecovex Copier appears in the list. Click it to select it. Click Add. Click Apply. Click OK. The Tradecovex Copier window opens on your screen showing Not Linked. Now go back to your Tradecovex dashboard. In the sidebar, click Settings. Under Copier Code, click Generate. Your unique code appears. Copy it. Back in NinjaTrader, find the Tradecovex Copier window. Paste the code into the code box and click Link. The status changes from Not Linked to your email address. The copier is live. Every trade you place on this account is now being replicated to your follower accounts in real time. If the status stays on Not Linked, check that you copied the full code with no extra spaces at the start or end. If it still does not connect, go back to the dashboard, click Regenerate, and paste the new code.